Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use len function with trim function in Excel. So let's start this in Excel. In Excel, the len function is used to count the number of characters in a text string, including the spaces, numbers and special characters. So let's start. To simply select a cell, use the is equal to and enter the len and select the text, bracket closed and enter. Total 6 the len characters counts here. But here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 character count in this text. So why is the 6 is count here? Okay. So simply double click on it and see here the space also count. Here the extra space showing. When I use this backspace and enter, see the 5 count of number of characters. Okay. Suppose I add here the one text. Hello, ma'am. You can see the 9 value. Okay. Hello is a 5, ma'am is a 3, and this space also consider because we are including the spaces. So I add here the sum number. See the number also including. Special character, suppose I add here the double quote. In double quote, I just add. See the special characters also includes. Okay. But suppose here I give the some extra space. Suppose I just double give the extra space. The extra space also consider. So ignore this extra space. Okay. So I use here the trim function. Just double click on it and add here the trim function. Just enter the trim. Okay. Bracket closed and just enter. Now you can see the extra space is not considered. Okay. So this trim function is helpful when you have a data, those are the extra space and you don't want to consider that extra space in len function to count the character. Okay. So here the consider the one space, not the extra space. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.